Beko Dishwasher, no water coming in. All right, here's how you can fix that. Check the water supply. So make sure the tap is connected to the dishwasher and it is actually fully open. Inspect the inlet hose for bends or kinks. If possible, disconnect the hose and confirm water actually flows from the tap. So no water from the tap equals plumbing issues. Now also clean the inlet filter. So turn off water, unplug the dishwasher, disconnect the inlet hose at the back. Inside the valve, there's a small mesh filter. Remove and clean it. It often gets clogged with dirt. And then you can also test the water inlet valve, which is a common failure. So the valve opens to let water in when the cycle starts. If it's faulty, no water would enter at all. So also check the door or the lock. Dishwashers often won't fill if the door isn't properly locked. So make sure the door clicks shut firmly. And then if you notice any issues with the door, you could get it fixed. Now on the control board or program issue, so you could just simply try resetting the dishwasher. Hold the start or cancel for 5 to 10 seconds. Power it up for 5 minutes and then restart. That should fix the issue. All right, guys. So that's it.